Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to make a quarter circle in Figma. This is a fundamental shape that comes in handy for creating curved corners, pie charts, or decorative elements in your designs. If you want to streamline your workflow and save money on subscriptions, check out the link in my description. First things first, open the Figma application on your computer. Once you're in, navigate to the file where you want to create your quarter circle. This could be an existing project you're working on or a brand new file. The process works the same either way. Now look down at the toolbar at the top of your screen. You'll see various shape tools available. Click on the arrow down beside the rectangle shape icon. This will reveal a drop-down menu with different shape options. From this menu, select Ellipse. The Ellipse tool is what we'll use as the foundation for creating our quarter circle. Here's an important tip for getting a perfect circle rather than an oval. Hold down the Shift key on your keyboard, and while keeping it pressed, click and drag on your frame. The Shift key constrains the proportions, ensuring you end up with a perfect circle instead of an ellipse. Release your mouse when you're happy with the size. At this point, you might want to customize the appearance a bit. Go ahead and change the color of your circle to whatever suits your design. You can do this through the Fill properties in the right panel. Pick any color that works for your project. Now comes the magic part. Hover your mouse over the right side of your circle. You'll notice a small dot appears. This dot is the arc control, and it's the key to transforming your circle into different shapes. Click on this dot and drag it slowly to the left side of the circle. As you drag, you'll see the shape morph. When you drag it all the way to the left, it will create a half circle. We're almost there. To complete the quarter circle, take that same arc control dot and drag it upward to the top center of the circle. This action will transform your half circle into a perfect quarter circle. The arc essentially removes 3/4 of the original circle, leaving you with just 1/4. And that's it. You've successfully created a quarter circle in Figma using the arc control feature. This technique is incredibly useful for UI design, illustrations, and creating custom shapes. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.